This is how to make baked custard slices. First mix 50 grams of cream cheese and 50 grams of sugar. Then add 2 egg yolks and mix them in. Finally, add 300 milliliters of milk and 40 grams of cornstarch. Stir the mixture on medium heat until it's thick. Refrigerate the mixture for at least 3 hours. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing desserts. Lightly brush the slices with egg yolk. Then bake them for 20 minutes at 180 degrees. And that's it! Your baked custard slices are now ready to eat.